Sociology. The process of adopting cultural traits from another group is called acculturation. What is a major function of social institutions? To organize behavior and fulfill societal needs. The Thomas theorem states that if people define situations as real, they are real in their consequences. Social processes refers to the way individuals interact in society. Which of the following is a form of social process? All of the above. Competition, cooperation, assimilation. When different cultural groups come into contact and gradually adopt each other's traits, it's called acculturation. The process where a minority group fully integrates into the dominant culture is known as assimilation. Which of the following best describes accommodation? Peaceful coexistence without necessarily adopting each other's culture. What is an example of assimilation? Immigrants adopting the language, dress, and costumes of the host country. Acculturation occurs when cultural exchange happens due to continuous interaction. Which of the following is not an example of cooperation? Two businesses trying to outsell each other. Competition is a process where individuals or groups struggle against each other for limited resources. An example of economic competition is business competing for customers. Which type of competition is common in democratic societies? Political competition. Adaptation in a social context refers to adjusting to a new environment or social conditions. What is an example of social adaptation? A refugee learning the large language of the host country. The process where groups work together towards a shared goal is called cooperation. Which of the following is an example of accommodation? Two groups resolving a conflict by agreeing to live peacefully without integration. Which of the following is not a characteristic of competition? It always results in social disharmony. A nation allowing immigrants to maintain their cultural traditions while adopting some local customs is an example of acculturation. What is the key difference between assimilation and accommodation? Assimilation involves cultural absorption while accommodation maintains cultural distinctions. Cooperation is essential for group survival.